So let's have a look at the area of a sphere. Not a very common calculation in your exam. Tennis ball are in the shape of a sphere. Yeah, we know that. For professional tennis matches, tennis balls can be of slightly different size. Didn't know that. The smallest size allowed has a radius of 327. So the radius goes from the center to the edge, and that's 327. Find the surface area of this tennis ball. Give your answer in centimeters correct to 2 decimal place. Okay, so how do we find an area? Area of volume. How do we find it? We go to the table and we find the formula. So we go to our maths table, page 10, and there it is. We have the sphere and we have two formulas beside our sphere. One is A, means what? Area. The other one is V, means volume. Now, obviously, the one we want is this one, area. So how do we calculate that? So area equal 4 multiply pi multiply r is what? Radius, and excuse me, our radius is 3.27 to the power of 2. And we put that in the calculator and correct to 2 decimal place, we should get 134.37 centimeters squared. Don't forget to always check the terms and conditions, like to how many decimal place, and don't forget about measurement in order to get the full marks.